Disaster can strike at any moment, but when it does, Centennial Glass is here for you. Call 613-738-9500 any time of day or night for Ottawa's highest-rated emergency glass repair service. Our dedicated response teams arrive on site within 60 to 90 minutes, 24/7, 365 days a year. We handle everything from broken glass cleanup to temporary boarding up and glazing services. Whether it's a cracked door, vandalism, or burglary, Centennial has you covered with expert repair services. From residential windows to specialized glass types, our skilled team repairs it all. For peace of mind in any emergency, trust Centennial Glass. Call 613-738-9500.